Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you how I cook this delicious beef jollof rice. If today is your first time of coming across this video, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So let's get started. In a clean pot, I transferred in the already washed beef, seasoned with some onions, soya sauce, ginger and garlic paste, seasoned cubes, bay leaf, thyme, rosemary, oregano, white pepper, curry powder, salt to taste. Stir to combine, cover and let it produce its own juice. Next, in a bowl, I poured in the rice, add some salt and boiled water, stir and cover for like 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash the rice until the water runs clear, which I will be doing off camera and set aside. Now let's check on the meat. As you can see here, it is well cooked, which I did not add any water to it. So next thing, I will be grilling the cooked meat. Transfer them into the baking pan and start to grill. But you can fry yours if that is what you prefer, okay? Here I added in a little olive oil and give it a complete stir before placing into the oven. And we are done grilling. This is how it looks like, so I will set it aside. Next, I have some fresh tomatoes, red bell pepper, onions, habanero pepper. Now I will be going off camera to prep them, washing and cutting, okay? And we are done prepping them. So next thing is to blend the peppers. I will be transferring them into the blender. Blend until it is smooth. Here, I will not be adding any water. That is the main reason why I'm using this particular blender. But if yours cannot blend without adding in some water, it is still okay. Yeah. And we are done blending. This is how the mixture looks like. So next, in a clean pot, I introduce the vegetable oil, allow to heat up. Then I added in some salt, chopped onions, fry for like 2 minutes. Exactly 2 minutes now. I added in the tomato paste, mix to combine, fry the tomatoes until the oil floats to the top of the sauce. Next, I transferred in the pepper mix, stir until it is well combined. Then keep frying until it reduces in quantity, thick, and the oil floats to the top of the sauce. Make sure you stir consistently so that the tomato mixture does not get burnt. At this point, I have to cover the pot because the tomato was splitting everywhere. Yeah, it was mud, so I have to do that. Next, I started by adding in curry powder, oregano, seasoning cubes, nutmeg powder, jollof seasoning, grounded crayfish, half of it. Yeah, stir until it is well mixed. Now it's time to add in the parboiled rice, yeah, which I did here. So I stir fried for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of stir frying, I added in the beef stock. Add in some water to the level of rice in the pots, not too much water, okay? At this point, you can check for salt. Once done, I use foil paper to cover the pot before covering it with the lid. Set your cooker on low heat and allow the rice to steam until it is tender. You can keep checking on it from time to time for at least 45 minutes, depending on the type of rice you are using. 45 minutes now, let's check on the rice. Wow, it's so amazing. Look at the color, so beautiful. Wow. Give it a lovely and gentle stir. Now I'll be adding in the remaining sliced onions, crayfish, to garnish with some vegetables. I added in some pears, sweet corn, and some butter. Cover the pot for like 4 minutes for the butter to dissolve. Exactly 4 minutes now, I opened the pot. Give it a gently and lovely stir until everything is well combined. Then turn off the cooker or heat. Next, our beef jollof rice is ready to be served. The type of aroma coming out from this kitchen, you will know that this is what we call beef jollof rice. I can't wait to start eating. Yeah, it can be served with any chilled drink of your choice. Guys, this beef jollof rice tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. Hope you will be trying out this yummylicious recipe. Please, if you do, let me know in the comment section. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.